you have to understand that there was a certain amount of work effort that went into actually showing up. They've already done research in these different things. They had to spend their time and spend their gas to show up. You should be grateful they're there. Stand up. Get out from behind the counter. Standing up, behind the counter, that's great, and that's wonderful. But getting in front of the counter removes that barrier. Shake their hand, look them in the eye, open the door for them coming in. Thank them for showing up. There's a big difference between being nice and being friendly. Be friendly, Be yourself. Be yourself. Unless you're a jerk. And then when you are then on both sides of the counter, it's no longer a barrier. Now it's a bridge. Initially, get in front of it, get face to face, eyeball to eyeball, and let them know that you're glad they're there. You're glad they chose you.
And it takes such little effort to do that.
Yeah.
So, I feel like with my association work, we travel a lot to various facilities and just do, just some meet and greet kind of things. And you'd be surprised at the managers that will sit there with their phone in their hand and just look at you after several seconds go by, just look at you like, what? Without saying a word, without introducing themselves, without even a smile. And it's just like, you just want to turn around. If I didn't have actual business to conduct there and I wasn't there for a purpose, and if I was an actual customer looking to pay someone to store my stuff, I'd just turn around and walk away, because I don't want to do business with you if you can't, grant me some kind of time and effort in a conversation.